Is ClickUp making money? Alright, let's cut to the chase. Is ClickUp actually making money? I mean, it's a fantastic tool, right? We all love it for its versatility, its ability to manage projects, tasks, docs, and even chat. But is all this awesomeness translating into cold, hard cash for the company? That's the burning question, isn't it? Before we dive into the numbers and the strategies, let's take a step back. ClickUp started as a bootstrapped company. That means no venture capital, no angel investors. They were building the product based on their own sweat equity. And for a while, it seemed like a David versus Goliath battle against industry giants like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com. But here's the thing. ClickUp has managed to carve out a niche for itself. It's not just another project management tool. It's positioning itself as an all-in-one productivity platform. And that's a massive market. The question is, are people willing to pay for it? Let's talk about their revenue model. The core product is free, which is a smart move to attract users. But to unlock the full potential of ClickUp, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. That's where the money comes in. They offer different tiers with varying features and pricing. So, while the free version is a great way to get people hooked, it's the paid plans that are filling up ClickUp's coffers. But is it enough? To sustain a company, you need consistent revenue growth. So, let's crunch some numbers. Unfortunately, ClickUp is a private company, so we don't have access to their exact financials. But we can make some educated guesses based on industry trends and the company's growth trajectory. The project management software market is booming. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's growing rapidly. ClickUp, being a major player in this space, is undoubtedly capturing a significant slice of that pie. Plus, with its expansion into other productivity tools, they're potentially tapping into even larger markets. Another factor to consider is the company's valuation. While it's not public, ClickUp has raised substantial funding in recent rounds. This implies that investors believe in the company's growth potential and its ability to generate significant returns. So, is ClickUp making money? All signs point to yes. They've got a solid product, a growing user base, and a proven business model. But the real question is, can they sustain this growth and become a truly dominant force in the productivity software market? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, ClickUp is a company to watch. They've disrupted the industry, and they're not showing any signs of slowing down. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.